Today we have the Yardworks 10 amp corded tiller. This is a small tiller that I picked up at Menards to tackle some landscaping projects around the house. We recently bought this one owner 1961 ranch and it needed some help in the landscaping department. And I did all this landscaping with the Yardworks 11-inch tiller. The tiller was great for breaking up hard southern Missouri soil as long as it wasn't too rocky or have too many large roots. About 6 years ago, I owned a large gas-powered, self-propelled tiller with counterweights, and it was an awesome machine. However, it was very big, very heavy, hard to maneuver, required engine maintenance, and sometimes I'd even have to tinker with the engine just to get it started. We ended up selling it when we moved to southern Missouri, and now that I have a need for a tiller again, I decided to just get a smaller one that required less maintenance. This tiller has a 10 amp electric motor, which is great for breaking up loose to hard soil. Hard compacted soil that is rocky will cause the tiller to bounce around. The 10 amp motor can break through some small roots, but larger, stronger roots may cause the tiller to stop. The tiller is electric, so you'll want to use a thicker gauge extension cord, not one of those small, thin Christmas light extension cords. It does have a cord hanger to minimize stress on the plug and helps keep the cord away from the tines. When using the tiller, you'll want to stay focused where the extension cord is at all times. It can easily get in the way. The wheels retract for use and then lock back into position for moving and storage. The tiller is lightweight, which is great for storage and maneuvering, but the lack of weight can make it bounce if you hit some roots or rocks. The tiller is very easy to use. It has a lawnmower style safety switch. Just grab it and then depress the start button on the side of the handle. Once the button is pushed, be ready to go. The tiller is advertised as 8-inch working depth, but will require multiple passes, possibly in crisscross patterns to achieve that depth. You'll also need to take multiple passes to break up hard soil. The tines can be removed easily for cleaning or to narrow the tiller for smaller areas. Assembly is pretty easy. You essentially assemble the handle and wheels to the motor assembly, and then it's ready to go. When done with your work, just simply flip the wheels down so it can be rolled away. There's also a handy grab handle on the top of the motor assembly if you just want to carry it. All in all, I believe this small electric tiller is a great option for the DIYer. It's perfect for landscaping needs, light gardening, and is pretty hassle-free. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use a small electric tiller. I really loved my old gas-powered, self-propelled tiller, but like I said, it was just overkill and it took up a lot of space. This little guy does everything I need and it's compact. I hope you got some valuable insights from this video. So thanks for watching.